Oi gente, seja bem-vindo ao canal Louca na Foto, meu nome é Cristina Rocha e para vocês que caíram de paraquedas por aqui, eu sempre trago DIY para vocês. Quem ainda não viu, vocês sabem que eu sou louca por flores, né? Então eu tenho flor de cetim, flor de crepom, então para encerrar com chave de ouro esse DIY que é o último do ano, sim! Vamos fazer o quê? Uma florzinha, um enfeite de Natal para a sua árvore. Olha que linda ela é. Materiais super simples, vocês encontram na lojas de tecido, lojas de aviamentos. E eu sei que muita gente ainda não montou sua árvore de Natal. Então, para não perder esse enfeite incrível, lindíssimo e delicado, vocês não precisam que se inscreva no canal, ative o sininho para receber as notificações do vídeo quando for pro ar e deixa um like que é muito importante para ajudar o canal a crescer sempre. A gente está chegando a 700 inscritos, então vem comigo fazer esse enfeite lindo de Natal.
putting things on the side. What do you have in mind? She's awake all the time. What are you trying to find? I hope this ain't a lie, 'cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. 'Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster. You're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions. Tell me, what do you have in mind? Tell me, what do you have in mind? I put my heart on the line through our phone in the night. No, I'm here by your side. So tell me, where are you now? When your head is in the clouds, I wanna find out now. 'Cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. 'Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster. You're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions. Tell me, what do you have in mind? Tell me, what do you have in mind? Tell me, what do you have in mind? What are you trying to find? Are we just wasting time? I wanna know, so tell me, what do you have in mind? What are you trying to find? Are we just wasting time? I wanna know, so tell me, what do you have in mind?
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want.